First things first, I appreciate your support. So, if you are experiencing a dE1 error code on your LG washing machine, simple fix. But before that, kindly subscribe. Please, please, please. The new guys, this is the best channel for you. We post good tips on washing machines, how to repair, how to install, how to maintain them. So you are the right channel. So before you scroll down, kindly subscribe. So if you're experiencing this error code, the issue is the door is not locked. But if it's not locking well, the hook is okay, then you'll have to replace this locking mechanism. This is the door switch. So what you need to do is order using the model number that is here. When you open the door, you will see the model number. So you replace this, but before doing that, ensure the door is well locked, like that. So we power it off, power it on. Let's put it on spin. Should give you a locking sign here, a key sign here. You see, it's now locked. So kindly subscribe. I'll be posting more tips on different washing machines. Like this one is giving you a LG will give you a DE error, Samsung will give you a DC error, other machine will just say DE door error. So these are fully automatic. If you press, it opens immediately. Let's say it's locked. So if you pause it, it will immediately open and remove this sign.